Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use such a device. This is a jump starter. This is a power pack. This is the Bora Plus. Yeah, 3-in-1 device. Okay, for what this is, you have a dead battery. You cannot switch on the ignition in your car. And you cannot start the engine and drive away because the battery is too low or maybe dead, nearly dead. Then, of course, it is possible to make a jump start using a wired connection between two batteries in two cars. Yes, that's possible, but it's not state-of-the-art. State-of-the-art today is such a device, a jump starter. And this jump starter here brings our 3 devices in one, maybe 4. Let's start how we can use it. We will use first, of course, the light. The first thing is we have here a button. We push on the button and then it will be start the internal device. And then you have here a button for the flashlight. I will rotate it to me and I push now the flashlight button once. And you see the flashlight is now switched on. Again, this is stroboscopic light. The third push, you can see a red light here with SOS function. And another push means switch it off. Okay, next thing is we can have a tire inflator. For this, we will need that kind of cable. This is a valve connector, and you will need a valve for this. And the valve is on your tires, on your bicycle, on the basketball, for example, or on your car. Okay, let's start how it use. We are now getting this wire into connection onto the device. Only get it in position, just done, yeah. Then go to the tire, for example, and get this valve into that hole, push it and lock it. Yeah, job's done, yeah, nearly. And then we can switch here between different menu and units. First, bar, unit change, key PA, change, kilogram per CMF, change, PSI. Okay, then the next thing is M button for mode, car mode, bicycle or mode and motorcycle mode, and ball mode and individual mode. Okay, let's go to the car mode. And then you can make a plus and a minus for the value you will inflate. For example, 37 PSI. And then everything is ready. You push once the power button and then it will start inflating. After inflation is done, that means we reach the 37 PSI, it will stop automatically. Okay, then you can, of course, get it out of the valve and remove it from the tire inflator machine. Yeah, that's cool. This is the number 2 thing. And then, of course, you can make a jump start with that device. It's so easy. Let's have a look. We have clamps. There's crocodile clamps. One is the red clamp and the other is the black clamp. The red clamp you will connect on the positive pole, the positive terminal of your battery system in your car. Red is positive. And the black one is for the ground, for the neutral, for minus. Okay, minus pole on the battery, or you use a metal part of your engine, alternatively. The other side, connect this. First the red one, then the black one. Then, of course, you have to connect this to that machine that you can make first before you connect this, okay? Then you open the cover here, get this into position, and then, of course, we connect the clamps to the positive and negative poles of our vehicle, and then we are nearly done. If it is connected, it will not flash like that. It will be steady on. Okay, then if it is steady on, I will simulate this if I push on the button. So here we are. If it is simultaneously on, you can go into the car, switch on the ignition, and the car should be started immediately. Then shift to neutral back to the machine, to the engine. The engine is still running. And then you remove first the red clamp, then the black clamp. And then remove this out of the housing and close the lid. Hey, job's done. Your car is still running. You can drive away. If you have problems, that means the ignition does not start at first, the second or third time, you can perform this, what I showed you before. Push on that small button until it will be on the maximum peak delivery. Yeah, that means push on and hold it for 2 seconds and it will be light green. And then it will be delivers all time the maximum peak. And then, of course, maybe you cannot find something in the engine bay. You can have a flashlight, as I showed you, of course. But if it does not start your engine or something else, and you need power for your smartphone or something else, there are a USB-C port and a USB-A port to recharge your devices as a power bank. Wow, that is a really nice thing. Wow. Okay, this is the Woowind Bora Plus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's on.